students, in today's video we are going to learn about Kikki-Babbitt reaction. It is an important reaction where you should know for all the competitive exams. So let us learn what is meant by Kikki-Babbitt reaction. Pyridine and other heterocyclic nitrogen compounds can be aminated with alkali metal amides in a process called Kikki-Babbitt reaction. It is a reaction where the pyridine compound reacts with the sodamide where it gives you 2-aminopyridine. This reaction takes place in the presence of liquid ammonia. It takes place in the presence of liquid ammonia. We know the pyridine compound reacts with the soda-amide in the presence of liquid ammonia. It gives us 2-aminopyridine. So this reaction we call it as Kikki-Babbitt reaction. For this reaction, to learn this reaction, there is no much tricks to remember this reaction, students, because it is a very straightforward and a simple reaction. But still, you can remember one thing: the amide group, that is the NH2 group, is attached to the pyridine. When this NH2 group is attached to the pyridine, we call that reaction to be a Kikki-Babbitt reaction. So this NH2 group could be very easily remembered because NH2 is a nucleophile. You know, pyridine is incredibly unreactive towards the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So let us now see what is the mechanism of this reaction. So this is the pyridine compound. When this sodamide reacts with pyridine, what happens? We know sodium carries the positive charge, amine carries the minus charge. Where NH2 is a nucleophile, it donates the pair of electrons to form the new covalent bond. When NH2, the nucleophile, reacts with the C2, when it bonds with the C2 carbonyl, the reaction is initiated by the nucleophile attack at the C2 or C6 position. This is because of the negative charge of the nucleophile, children. So now when this NH2 is bonded here, we can see the electron is shifted towards the nitrogen. So what happens? The nitrogen carries the negative charge and the Na sodium atom, it carries the positive charge. This is the intermediate step of the mechanism. Say in the intermediate step, the nitrogen is electron rich now. We can see in the last step, the hydrogen ion is ejected and the nitrogen pushes its electron back into the ring, regaining its aromaticity. This is the mechanism of Kikki-Babbitt reaction. The negatively charged amine group abstracts a proton from the water, giving the product. So if the attack is there in the carbon, second carbon, we get the compound 2-aminopyridine. If the carbon attack is at the C6 position, the compound formed it is 6-aminopyridine. This is the mechanism of Kikki-Babbitt reaction. I hope you have understood the mechanism and the reaction. Thanks for watching Bloom Skills. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.